Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel for another video. So today we're taking a trip down memory lane, 2024 edition. It's been a ride, folks. Some highs, some lows, but honestly, mostly good stuff. And I'm here to tell you all about it. Photography, personal life, this YouTube channel, and a little bit more. So stick around and I'll tell you how everything's unfolded. Let's go. All right, so let's kick things off with this YouTube channel. Now, back in December of 2023, I set this crazy goal to actually take this thing seriously. I know, a shocking revelation. I didn't really take it seriously before that. Or should I say, I didn't expect it to be so much work. I mean, I've been here since 2021. This channel is practically old enough to drive itself. So at the start of 2024, this channel was sitting at about 200 watch hours and a staggering 350-ish subscribers. Yeah, I'm not saying it was bad, but those numbers were like an awkward family gathering at Thanksgiving. Everyone's there, but no one's talking. So I had two choices in front of me. Either let it fizzle out into the void of YouTube, or brace yourselves, actually try. So after some deep soul searching, I decided to put out at least 2 videos a week. The goal? Consistency. Like really consistent, like way too consistent, if I'm being honest here. Long story short, that turned everything around. Seeing the channel grow, it excited me and it kept my hopes high. I ended up teaming with a couple different companies to do product reviews, did my first giveaway, and we're currently at over 1,400 subscribers and the channel is fully monetized. And it's all thanks to you guys for being actually awesome. Seriously, if you're watching this, thank you. You're the reason this thing exists. So now, we're gonna go into my personal life. Now, it wasn't all camera clicks and channel growth. 2024 threw me a couple curveballs too. For those who don't know, I ended up writing a memoir this year. Yeah, that happened. It's about my time being married to someone who wasn't exactly great, shall we say. I spent years blocking that time out of my memory. But when I finally sat down and relived it, something wild happened. I found the courage to stop living in the past and move forward. Heavy stuff. But hey, it was very necessary. And then I did something that actually felt good. I married my fiance of 17 years. Yeah, after 17 years of waiting, we finally tied the knot. You know, just a casual, I guess we should do this now kind of thing. It felt amazing actually to finally close that chapter of our relationship. And I'm happy to report, she hasn't yet threatened to leave me for a guy with a better beard. So success all around. Then there was my photography. This year was full of twists and turns for me. For the longest time, motorsports photography, that was my thing. That was my bread and butter, so to speak. But here's the problem. I got bored. So, I have a confession to make. I'm not enjoying doing motorsports as much as I was, as much as I have in the past. And that's mainly because it's so redundant. Same cars, same lanes, doing the same thing. I spent months in this weird loop, shooting cars at the same races, over and over. The same angles, the same exhaust fumes, and I started to wonder, is this what I want my entire career to be? Now, don't get me wrong. The people at the track were great, and motorsports is a blast. But when your entire portfolio starts looking like a catalog of race car photos, it's like, enough already. So I did what any sensible person would do. I just stopped going. Yeah, I ghosted motorsports photography. I decided to explore new things. Landscapes, portraits, ghost towns, product photography, the works. There's so much to see and shoot, and I was just ready to step outside my comfort zone. And in doing so, I've come up with some pretty exciting new ideas. And you haven't really seen them yet, but don't worry. 2025, that's gonna be the year of the big reveals. You'll get to see what I've been working on, and trust me, it should be worth the wait. Then there was that failed photo trip that I took to the Oregon coast. Now, I took that big L, and I turned inward and started exploring the beauty of my own backyard. You know, the high desert of Nevada. It's a weird place, but weird can be beautiful. So I started taking photos of all these strange, quirky things around the county. And now I've got this growing collection of photos. The plan? Well, to release them as a photo book. But if that doesn't pan out, I'm making them available as photo prints. So either way, you'll get to see them. But as of now, I'm just really proud of how it's coming together. So 2024, it was a year of growth, change, and a lot of personal victories. And honestly, I'm pumped for 2025. Bigger projects, more adventures, and a whole lot more content coming your way. But enough about me. Let's talk about you. How was your 2024? What stories do you have? Any big wins or lessons learned? Drop a comment and tell us what's happening in your world. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell for future videos. Also, visit my website, jeff-gresham.com, to grab my new Lightroom preset pack that features 13 presets that I designed and use for all my photo projects. I hope you all have a great holiday season, and I'll catch you all again in 2025. Happy New Year.